Hello class, welcome to the second video lesson of Business Studies Chapter 2 Principles of Management. In our previous lesson, we have discussed the meaning of management principles and how management principles are different from pure science principles. Also, difference between management principles and techniques of management, and management principles, how are they different from the values of management. In this lesson, we'll discuss the features of management principles. Also, it can be termed as the nature or characteristics of management principles. From the meaning of the management principles, which are broad and general guidelines for managers to organize the work of management in an effective way, so to accomplish the goals, isn't it? These are formed after observation and experiments. So, taking the definition of management principles, here are some of the main features of management principles. The first feature is management principles have a universal application, that is, they are pervasive. So these principles can be applied to all types of organization irrespective of the size or nature, that is, whether it's a business organization or a non-business organization, whether it's a big organization or a small organization, or whether it is a public sector organization or private sector, any form of organization can use the principles of management, but the degree of specialization will depend from organization to organization. That is, the principle of management that we apply to a school may not be the same that will apply to a business organization, or the principles of management applicable in a hospital may be different from those in a government office. So they are pervasive in nature. Still, the application will depend upon the organization, the nature of organization, and the degree of specialization required in that particular organization. To what degree the principle of management has to be applied with its flexible nature. The second feature of management principles are that they are general guidelines. They are only broad and general guidelines to act. So we may not take that each of these principles are the actual solutions, or they may provide ready-made solution for any problem. They may only give you a general guideline to act, but they may not give you surety of the result, or the ready-made solution may not be given by a specific principle always. These principles are evolutionary. Here, evolutionary means they have been formed by practice and experiments. Principles of management have been evolved after observations, experiments, analysis, and through a lot of research work. They have not been developed overnight. Proper observation and experiments have been conducted before developing these management principles. So we say they are evolutionary in nature. The next feature of management principles is that they are flexible. As mentioned earlier, these are not rigid. They are not rigid. They can be applied differently in different situations. So the management principles are not rigid. They can be modified by the managers who are using them. The next feature here is mainly behavioral. That is, the management principles deals with the behavior of employees. The main objective behind the management principle being formed is that these are certain guides and to influence the behavior of employees, so that there is a improvement, or there is a good relationship between the superior and subordinates and all those who are working in the organization. So it is establishing it also establish a relationship between the human and the material resources in a management. So it makes a coordination between them and try to influence the behavior for the betterment of the organization. The principles of management are based on cause and effect relationship. That is, the principles explains like what will be the consequence, or what will be the effect of a certain action which will be taken on the basis of management principles. That is, if a particular principle is applied in a situation, what might be the effect. So the principles are not perfectly absolute. because they are applied to human being, but knowing them or applying them will have a certain idea about the result or the outcome. Finally, the feature of management principles is that these are contingent, so they are dependent upon the situation in the which is existing in the organization. So the application and effect of the management principles will depend only on the nature of organization. So it may change with the change in situation also. So it will be applicable to the contingent or the prevailing situation which is taking place. We shall move our discussion further, and now let us see why these management principles are important, or what is their significance. The significance of management principles. So the first significance of management principle is that these principles provide managers with useful insight into reality. So as managers are working in different situations, isn't it? So the management principles are giving guidelines for the managers. So using these principles, the managers, they can improve the knowledge, ability and understanding of the managers to work under different managerial situations. So it is in a way developing the managers and making them aware of what in real situations they need to do, how they are going to apply their knowledge of management in different managerial situations. So it is providing managers with useful insight into reality, what decisions they have to be taken, and it will guide the managers to take the right decision at the right time. Also through these managerial principles, they learn in the course of applying these principles, but they may make mistakes, and as a result of those mistakes they may learn that in this situation a mistake will occur by a certain principle, and in the same situation the next time they may not commit the same mistakes. The use of management principles will lead to the optimum utilization of resources. The resources of management will be used in a systematic and to its maximum benefit only if we apply the management principles. The principles will be giving the maximum benefit only when the human efforts and the resources are used to their best. So with the help of management principles, the best use of resources or their optimum utilization is achievable. It will save time, energy and effects, the efforts of the different parts of the management. The third importance of management principle is that these help the managers to take decisions in a scientific manner or in a systematic manner. The approach to various problems faced by a manager, if he is using management principles, will be more scientific and systematic. He will be taking decisions based on scientific and with more reasonable justification to the situations. The management principles also helps an organization to meet the changing environment requirement. As the changes in the environment takes place, so due to these changes, it will have its impact on the organization. So if a manager is well trained with the management principles, he will be well equipped with implementing the principles of management due to the changes in the external environment, and how to lead the organization in the right direction, and at what level the changes have to be brought in the organization, so that the external environmental changes can be faced with such perfection that it will not lead the management into some difficult situations. Even the use of management principles will lead to the effective administration. The administration of the management will be more effective if management principles are kept in mind. Okay, be it any level of management, top level management, middle level, or operational level of management. If the management has to make itself a success, then the management principle guidelines will be helping the help in the effective administration. Okay, it will help the top level management to form various plans and policies. It will help the departmental heads to handle their departments or to take the coordination in various departments in a smooth manner. It will help the operational managers to use the resources in the optimum way. So all this will lead to the effective administration. The management principles also help the business or the organization to fulfill its social responsibilities. As managers, as a management also has social objectives and personal objectives to fulfill. So by keeping in mind the needs of the society and the resources that the society offers to the management, okay, the management also will be keeping its commitment towards fulfilling the social objectives if it is using the management principles. So management principles acts as guide to the managers to perform the social responsibilities or to fulfill them. And finally, the use of management principles will help in training, education, and research. Okay. These are scientific judgments and logical thinking. Okay. It will be if these principles are used in various situations, it will lead to further research and development of management studies. Okay, the application of these management principles will also help in forming new management principles or some new techniques of management. So they help in the research and development in the field of management. Also, it helps in providing a body of knowledge which will lead to further improvements or further education to the various parties who want to study about management and the principles of management. So these principles of management are at the core of different management theories. Okay, different management theories have been designed or have been formulated after keeping in mind the principles of management. So they act as the base of management training and education. Even different professional courses of management, like MBA, BBA, these teach the principles of management as a part of their syllabus. Even different recruitment or for any job position, different tests are taken to judge the aptitude or the personality or the skill that a candidate will possess are based on the principles of management. So all these are the various principles, importance of management principles, or how these or why these management principles are significant, not just to an organization but also to the field of educational research and training of in the field of management studies.